Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating or signing into a Microsoft account. This gives you access to Office 365 or free web apps. Once signed in, open Word, Excel, and PowerPoint online and pick a template to start a practical file. Why templates? They reduce setup time and teach structure. Make sure to enable OneDrive Sync so every change saves automatically. Once done, invite one collaborator to edit. Immediate collaboration forces you to learn menus, comments, and basic save/retrieve flows quickly and productively. You now move into deliberate practice. Import a real dataset into Excel and focus on formulas, tables, and basic charts so you understand how data flows. Meanwhile, in Word, apply styles, headers, and references to create reusable documents. This teaches structure and saves time later. Make frequent use of track changes and comments so you see revision history and feedback. Once comfortable, use share links and permissions to simulate real projects. This explains why collaboration features are essential and how they protect your work. You finish by creating a capstone. Merge a Word report, Excel budget, and PowerPoint presentation stored in OneDrive. This solidifies workflow knowledge and shows how files interconnect. Once done, export PDFs and assemble a small portfolio with screenshots and links. This demonstrates competence to others. Consider an official Microsoft certificate if you need formal proof. If something breaks, like sync or permissions, sign out and back in. Clear browser cache and verify your subscription. These quick fixes resolve most access issues and get you back to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.